family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Also, last week we had got some coupons to where it's a 5 off of 25 that you can use Sunday through Tuesday. And then also we did get a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. But the 5 off of 25 that you can use on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we got last week. So it might be still in your coupon. So you might want to go look on your app to see if it's still in there for your digitals. So I went ahead and I didn't go out yesterday, but I went out today. And I might go out tomorrow too. Because if this little glitch is still going on, I'm going to actually use it to my advantage, okay? So I had put the things that I wanted in my cart, and I thought I was going to pay a little bit more than what I paid today, but I was okay with that. But when I got up to the cash register and the girl hit total and she told me my amount, I was like, yeah, I hope this glitch is still going on for tomorrow. So what I did was these Dove, okay? These Dove Men Body Wash. I got the Extra Refreshing Extra Fresh, this one. And I got the Charcoal and Clay Purifying. Okay, so I got all of three of these. These are body and face wash. And then one is body and face scrub. So there it is right there. They are, let's see. The Dove, they are $5.50 a piece, okay? There is 2 digital coupons. They still might be in your app if you did not, in your coupon app, on your coupon app, if you did not clip them last week, because they did come last week. There is a 5 off of 2. Then it's a buy one, get one 50% off. So they actually glitched. Both of them came off for this deal, okay? For this deal. So I'm going to show you my receipt after I get finished with the rest and you can see it. All right. So then the next thing I got, I'm going to go up here, was these advanced warmers. Okay. These advanced refill warmers. I could have just got one, but I had clipped a $2 off that I had clipped a while before I got the $4, because these are $4 each. Let me make sure. Yeah, they are they $4? Yeah, $4 each. So there is a digital coupon that we got yesterday for $4, making one of them free, and then I had a $2 off digital. So if I had just got one, it would have just did the $2, and I would have had to pay for the 4 I would have just got one if I hadn't clipped the $2, okay? But since I clipped the $2, I went ahead and got both of them because I wasn't getting ready to pay a lot for it, okay? It would just took the $2 off instead of taking the $4 off and being free. So I got both of those. Then I got this Colgate Slim Soft toothbrush. It is $3.35. Yeah, $3.35. And there is, I had a $2 off digital coupon that came off. Then I got the Scott Comfort Plus. This is $3.50. And I had a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. I was going to do the what's that, $3 off of 15? I think it's $3 off 15, but I might do that Saturday. So I might use another number and do that Saturday. This was on my husband's card number, okay? So I got that. Then I got the Airwick, which is with the White Flowers and Melon Summer Delights. I got this. This is $6.25. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing I got was this Snuggle fabric softener. That is, let's see, the Snuggle Fabric Softener. Let's see, how much is that one? I think it's $3.35. I'm double checking. Hold on, y'all. Sorry about that. Yeah, $3.75. And there is a $1.25 digital coupon that is attaching to this. Now, I was not going to get all of this, but like I said, I was testing it out to see if the Dove was still glitching with those two digital coupons, and it was, and it did. Okay, so y'all, after she rung up everything, I put the number in. My subtotal came to $8.85 because the 5 off of 25 did come off too. So all of this came up to, like I said, $8.85, and my total savings, y'all, was $27. I'm going to show you my receipt. See it? See all of that, There is the $8.85, and then look, $27 total savings. And then here is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And then there is another, this is for, I didn't even look at that. Oh, okay. This is just for this week. This one is for this week. If I want to, up until tomorrow for this 5 off of 25. This is until tomorrow. But this one right here is for Saturday. Okay. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do right now. You can do this deal with the 5 off of 25 up until tomorrow, which is July the 2nd. After that, you will have to wait until Saturday to do a 5 off of 25. Now, I don't know if the Dove is still going to be glitching Saturday. We're going to hopefully it does. And also you got product in your store. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.